Mike, what did you say you're looking for?
I've got something to say about that.
Yeah, that's a center link. All right, going up. Gang, this is where it gets fun. First order of business. Both sides. You okay?
No, I just didn't. I was trying to like make room for everyone. All right,
You were fine where you were.
Yeah, no freaking out. Okay, so first thing, we got to get the bump stop and all this stuff off.
So
Yeah.
take the bolts there.
So pull these 4 bolts, do that on both sides. Oh, Peter, quit being so negative.
I mean, you got it this much.
Yeah, we got this far. So let's pull those. Then on the sway bar here, there's 2 bolts on each side.
Oh, just holding that bracket.
Yeah, just pull those so you get the sway bar out of our way. Get those and get those. And then we'll discuss taking these off and getting the springs out. And go.
Stupid sneezy.
Straighten and rethreading now our bolt because I got one that's about a 1/4 inch shorter than this.
Oh, then Peter will have the correct bolt again.
Yeah.
Did you say Mike needs an extension?
Yeah.
Nice. That wasn't as funny as I thought it was. Mike's making stuff. The boys are having a conversation. Good. We're doing good. So yeah, we can do both sides at the same time. So don't be scared. Don't be scared. Half and 9/16, boys. Yeah, let's get this side going too.
Is it 9/16?
9/16 on the sway bar, 1/2 inch for up here.
You said it wasn't 1/2 inch.
It might be a 9/16. I can't see. It's late. Then once we pull that, all right.
But we need a ratchet, right?
Ration.
Is this too big?
Ration. Ration.